Hi, I'm Simon Wood and today we're at Wood Restaurants to show you one of our signature dishes using a lobster bisque. We're going to utilise the Crustastun to humanely dispatch a crustacean, and we're also going to use the Dynamics 160 to get a lovely foam on the finished product. So we're going to start by laying out all our ingredients, and any dish is only as good as the products that you use. We've got some fantastic lobster, we've got carrot, fennel, garlic, celery, we've also got some sea herbs here, a sea leek oil, we've got some tomato in there. We're going to make a traditional bisque made in the traditional manner. So the Crustastun works by, it puts the lobster in a humane, in its own environment, in a saline solution. When you close the lid, it holds it in place very gently, very delicately, and then quite simply runs an electrical current through the body to dispatch the lobster. And does stun the animal within 1 second, and it dispatches the animal within 5 seconds. So now that the lobster's stunned, the next stage is to pop it into the oven on a steam setting for 7 minutes before chilling it down in ice, and then we're going to take the lobster apart from the shell. It's very important when using the machine now that we look at the size of the lobster. If we've got a bigger lobster than usual, or a larger crab, for example, there are two settings. You've got the lobster setting and then you've got the crustacean setting. If it's a slightly larger animal, you need to use the crustacean setting for a longer period. So now we've got the lobster that's chilled. I've dried it off. We're just going to break it down. I'm going to take the scissors. Now I've removed the body from the head, and I'm going to cut down the underside of the lobster before carefully peeling off the shell, releasing the lovely flesh that we've got inside. We've been using flying fish for some years now here at Wood Restaurants, and you know, they are the best at what they do. We get the best produce next day. It's here waiting for us when we arrive, ready to go. So you can see now here I've got all my ingredients for my bisque. I'm going to start by popping the oil, followed by some onions and the remaining ingredients into the pan. We're then going to add the tomato puree and cook that out for a good couple of minutes before adding in our brandy and our wine, followed by the lobster shells and then the ice. Now that we've got everything ready, our bisque is ready, I'm just going to pop this little piece of lobster into the pan with some smoked butter to add a smoked savoury note to the seafood. We're just going to cook it gently, no more than 20 to 25 seconds in foaming butter before adding it into our bowl. I'm going to start to assemble the dish now. We'll go in here with the sliced lobster meat and some of the compressed elderflower tomatoes. We're going to add in some sea herbs. We've got some sea leeks, some sea rosemary, and then we're going to top it with some of our bisque before using the Dynamics 160 to foam up the remaining bisque and just cover up the dish so that all that is under there is a nice surprise when it gets to the table. So thank you for watching this video showcasing the Crustastun and the Dynamics 160, and you can find those at Mitchell & Cooper, and we hope to see you here at Wood Restaurants soon.